All right, so the last video we created a YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about making some channel art to make our YouTube channel look nice and start the branding process. Okay, so if you want to make some nice looking channel art, that's what we're going to talk about straight ahead. Okay, let's look at some ways to make some channel art for your YouTube channel that you just created. Now, in this video, I'll probably prove to you that I'm not a graphic designer, but I think you'll learn how to do what you want to do, and we're just doing this quick and easy and not necessarily trying to make things look perfect, exactly like you'll want it long term. But you can do that on your own. All right, so the first thing we want to do is go to YouTube and get a template. Now you don't need to use this if you are going to use the snappa.com, which I'll show you here in a minute. But I want to show you how to get this just in case you already have a tool that you like to use. So if you go into YouTube and click on Help, and then when Help comes up, put in the search bar, create or edit. You have to spell create right. Or edit channel art. You see it there. All right, create or edit channel art, and go to that. And it'll bring up this document. And if you scroll down through this document to the image tips and guidelines, the middle article there, if you scroll down in it, you'll see this image. Now it doesn't look exactly like that because this image has been distorted, but if you click on this channel art templates, it will download that template to your computer. I'm not going to do that because I've already got it up, but just to show you where that's located. And you'll get something that looks like this. This has not been distorted. Okay, so I've already got that saved to my computer, as I said. So let's say you want to use Canva, which is actually my favorite for designing. I design my YouTube thumbnails and I designed some of my channel art with this already before I knew some of these details, like the template, and create a design. And then you can look down here through social media is what you want. Just scroll through these until you find the YouTube channel art. There it is right there. Click on that. And then this gives you you see this, it's a little whiter here. This is the right size for the YouTube channel art. Now what you can do is upload that, and I've already uploaded it to Canva from my computer, but if you haven't uploaded it, click that upload button, find it where you've put it on your computer, and then you can upload that into Canva. I'll just click on this here. There it is, and if you just drag on the corners, you'll keep it the same. Make that the size of that white area there. Now you can design your channel art and know where things are going to be. You see, this is where your safe area for your phones, tablets have this little larger banner here, desktops have the full width banner, and then if you're displaying this on a TV, that's it, it's the full screen. All right, but even an easier way is to use Snappa, snappa.com, S-N-A-P-P-A, and again, look down until you find the YouTube channel art. There it is. And again, they've got a bunch of things that you can use that are already the right size. I was looking at this one because if you'll remember my channel that I made when I demonstrated that for you was Peaceful Life Strategy. So we'll upload this one, Simple Secrets for a Happy Life. Pretty close. I could probably just change some of this and just change a little bit of the text and that would be all right there. But I wasn't real fond of the blue-green kind of colors, so I found another image that I liked. So we're just going to start from scratch. But the cool thing is your template is already there and we want to put a background on it. So to upload a background, if you're not going to use one of theirs, click on this Uploads here. And again, I've already uploaded the image that I want, but if you wanted to upload something, you just click that green button there. Now it already has to be uploaded to your computer. This is how you upload it from your computer into Snappa. All right, so I'll put that in. Now I thought some of those yellows and the really black might be a little overwhelming. So I put a little filter on that. Doesn't have to be the exact size, but just covering the whole thing. And now if you see down here, it has the shape opacity. It's at 100%, so it's gray. But I could take the opacity down and show that. Now gray wasn't really what I was after, but so let's change the color too. Let's change it to this little bit of a slate gray. Okay, now I've eliminated most of my yellows. In fact, I might even want a little bit more of that, but I don't want to make it too dark. Okay, now it might have been fine with the way it was, but just so that you see how to do something like that. So there's our background. Now you could drag a logo in by doing some graphics. I decided to just make something that was sort of my logo using some shapes and text. So I'm going to use this rectangle again, and we're just going to make some text boxes. Say, put it about right there. I'm going to make 3 of these. I already know what text I want to put in, so I know roughly how long I want to make them. It's probably a little bit big that way. And then one more. Make this one about the same size as that one. And put it down here. Okay, now let's put some text in those. We'll just use that largest text. You can change it afterwards, and I'm not going to spend any time with fonts or anything like that, but you may have a specific font that you want to use, and that's fine. You can certainly assign those. So, peaceful. And we're going to make that white. Actually, I'm going to make it just slightly off-white. And I'm going to make the box about the size of the text. Deselect that and then just select the box again, and then you can move it. And one of the reasons I made that box about the size of the text is so that I can highlight either the background box here or the text. If you get them the same size, it's hard to get to the box itself. All right, now let's do some more text. And this is life. And I'm going to use a blue color. In fact, it's about the same as what I did for that first box, but I'm putting it on this so you'll still be able to see it. Now see, if I want to move one or the other of those, I'm going to have a tough time doing that. All right, and then we'll put strategy in there. Change its color to this green and say that's our colors that we're using there. All right, that looks pretty good. Not perfect, but we could work more on that, but you get the idea. And then let's put our tagline. And let's say it's helping you create your peaceful life. All right, we're just going to put that down here. And we're going to give it its own text box as well. Because we're going to change it to that off-white. And then we're going to move it back so that the text is in front of it. Okay, we'll say that's good there. And then let's say we wanted to put a picture in this. This is kind of a goofy picture I've got here. In graphics and uploads. Much smaller than that, of course. And then we're going to put, that's of course got a transparent background on it. Then we're going to put another shape. We can put this square this time. Before we do that, okay, now we can make that a little bit translucent. Maybe we can't do much or it'll show the edge of that picture. And then we need to move it back behind, not the picture, but we want it back behind the okay, and let's move the picture back now. There we go. Okay, so now if we toggle off the, there you see our channel art. Okay, now it's going to be going to show up just this area on the, and of course you could do more in these other areas that just won't show up on your devices, but it just give you an idea, simple ideas, several things that you can do with channel art. This is not something I'm going to use, and like I say again, I've proved that I'm not a graphic designer, but just gives you some idea of some things that you will do. And this will look pretty good. Most times it's not going to be seen on a TV. This will look pretty good on your phone and tablet and even the computer, because it's just going to be a banner. All right, so that's how you make your channel art. If you need more information, please subscribe to my channel about not only YouTube, but how to make your online business grow. I have a 4-part series on there. If you click on the first link in this, that is extremely useful for creating that 6-figure online business. And stay tuned to my channel by subscribing and clicking on the notifications for more videos that are coming up in getting leads for your business using YouTube and other methods. And until the next video, we'll talk soon.